my name is Harleen Kaur, and basically I'm from Thampur, Bijnor, but currently I'm living in Saket, and I am pursuing BCom honors from MJPIU University, and I have chosen digital marketing as my career because digital marketing field is in at boom now, and I want to grow in this field, and I want to grab more and more opportunities. So I have selected this field as my career, and after completing the digital marketing course, I want to do a job for myself, and I have learned a lot of things, modules in during the digital marketing course like SEM, SEO, and social media, email marketing, web analytics, and now I have given the exam for digital marketing course, and I have also got 6 certifications, 3 from HubSpot on the modules of. And now after the exam, after I cleared the exam, so now I am able to get the job in companies. Thank you.